Chef K here. We're going to make salsa roja, or red chili sauce. This is a recipe that I was taught at the hunting lodge by a lady chef from New Mexico. This is her recipe and I use it all the time. So here we go. We got some clean bacon grease, about a quarter cup, maybe a little more. Use quite a bit. I'm making a good bit here. I'm going to use it for a casserole. I'm going to get that bacon grease heated up. I've got medium high on the stove here. Melt that down, get it good and hot. Then we're going to add a medium white onion, chopped. Not fine, but somewhere between medium and fine. Cook those onions for a little bit, a couple minutes. Pretty hot oil, they'll get translucent pretty quick. This is a great sauce. You can make it as thick or as thin as you want. You can make it as hot or as mild as you want. It's really versatile. You can use it for a lot of things. I've got some Hatch New Mexico red chili here. That's what I use a lot. I'm gonna put a couple of tablespoons, around two and a half tablespoons in there. I'm making this fairly tame. It's gonna have a nice heat, but it's not gonna tear anybody's head off. Like I say, if you wanna make it really hot, you can. I'm gonna cook that red chili for a little bit, 2 or 3 minutes, 4 minutes. In that hot oil. Helps the chili bloom, gives it a really good flavor. If you work too quick here and don't let that chili kind of get cooked up in that oil, it's not going to be quite as good. I'm going to take some water. That's a couple of cups of water. That's a 2 tablespoon measure. I'm going to put 4 tablespoons. Like I say, that measures a 2 tablespoon measure, so that's 4 tablespoons of flour. I'm going to whisk that flour into that water. Still running on medium high here. I'm going to dump that water and flour mixture into my oil and onions and chili powder. And I'm going to stir it around. Get rid of any lumps. Get it stirred in real good. We're down on medium heat now. I may have turned it up. I think I turned it up a little bit. Around medium high still. See how it's a little thick? I'm going to add some water. It's about a half a cup. You got to be careful to add. You can add water, but you can't take it away. There's ways to fix it if you get it too thin. We'll go over that before we stop here. I'm going to add a packet of Goya Sazon. It's got coriander and a few other spices. I use it in my rice and I use it in my red chili here. Next, coming in with some tomato bouillon. It's a chicken tomato bouillon. 3 tablespoons. Remember, that's a 2 tablespoon measure. So I'll let that cook. I want to cook that flour taste completely out. Get it all incorporated in there. I'm going to thin it just a little bit. It's a little thick for me. You can thin it at any time that you need to with a little bit of water. If it gets too thin on you, you can thicken it up with cornstarch. And you can Google that on how to do that with cornstarch and water. I'm going to coat a spoon, then run my finger through it. That's how I know it's where I want it to be. Hey, thanks for watching. See you next time.